Hey guys, it's Prime Score, and today I'm going to show you how to use a custom seed to generate your server world. So let's say I'm super sick of this Minecraft server world and it looks just disgusting and ugly, and I'm like, oh my gosh, please give me something better. Let's say my friend found an awesome seed that I want to use, or I was on Minecraft forums over here and I was looking through all these seeds. This is an awesome place to find seeds, or you can just Google awesome Minecraft seeds. And I saw a seed for my Minecraft version. I'm running Minecraft 1.12.2. Make sure the seed you find correlates to the Minecraft version. If it doesn't, then it's going to generate a whole different world. I see this awesome seed and it looks so cool. I'm like, yes, I want those mountains in my world. So I'm going to copy the seed that I find from my friend, from Google, or from Minecraft forums, wherever you want to get your awesome seed. Make sure the Minecraft version is correct. And then I'm going to go to my server console, go to Files, Config Files, then click Server Settings. And then we're going to go down to Level Seed. It might be blank, that's just fine. That means you haven't used a custom seed, but I'm going to replace it with a better custom seed that I have. Click Save. And then, before you restart, we're going to have to create a whole new world, because each world can only have one seed at a time. So I already have a world named New World. I'm just going to create a world called Awesome World. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to restart my server. And while my server is restarting, it's going to start generating a new world with the seed I've specified. So when you type in a whole new world in there, it's going to save your old world. So I still have my new world named file, which was my old world, in my server directory. And I also have my first world I ever made in here too. It's going to just generate a whole new world called Awesome World in here. You can see it right there. I have Awesome World and New World and World. I can delete the old ones if I want, or I can just keep them there if I ever want to go back and play them. So once it generated your new world, you can go back onto your server, and then you're going to see your awesome new world that you wanted. Let's check it out. See if the seed's awesome. So sick. I got those awesome mountains and everything. So yeah, so that is how you use a custom seed in your Minecraft server. So if you have any questions, please leave in the comments section below. Otherwise, go to Shockbyte and send us a ticket. Anyways, thank you for watching.